everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a big hodgepodge of stuff here because I am getting ready to send my daughter a care package. So I'm not sure if it will all fit in this IT box, but this is the one I'm going to try to use. So I just have this sitting over here to the side, and then I have this that came with my IT cosmetics. It says, discover it, love it, believe it, and then you are beautiful, you are it. And this is just not my thing, so I'll just stick that in the bottom of the bag. I don't know if it's her thing either, but we shall see. And hopefully these will fit in the bottom too, but isn't this cute? I think I got it at, oh I did, I got it at Hobby Lobby, and I'm sure it was 40% off at least. Something really cute for her dorm window. Yes, it fits perfectly. And same with this one. It says he is risen, and she goes to a Christian college. So these are always just so fun to squish, and I know she likes to have these on her door or on her window. And then this was a fun little pom-pom chick kit. I did make sure that she has some glue. Otherwise I would include a little bottle of that, but look how cute that is. And then I wanted to include these little marquees that I had gotten. So there's a K and D for Katie and David. And then there is, this is the remote for that. So I need to remember to get a couple batteries. So I'll need to put those in there. And I don't know if all this is going to fit in here or not. I might have to send a couple. And then these are baby feet. I ordered them online, so they're kind of generic-y looking, but I gave her the instructions on how to do it. And she said that her feet were kind of crummy. So hopefully this will help that for her. And this nail polish came with my last BeautyCon box, maybe? I don't remember. No, it wasn't BeautyCon. What is my new box called? It doesn't matter, but I have a haul on it, and I'm going to just give that to her because I think that's more her color than mine. Same with these couple of things. This was just dry skin lotion. Actually, I think I'm going to keep that in my purse. Actually, no, I think I'm going to give it to her so she can put it in her purse. I don't know if she has one in her purse. And then some dry shampoo, which I don't particularly care for, so I'll give her that. And then I got some cute stickers for her planner. And this is a cute little elephant anklet. I got this from Top Hatter, the app. And I thought this was pretty cute, and I think that she'll like it. So I'll stick that in here. So maybe I should bring this over here so you guys can see how it's all fitting, because it's doing pretty well right now. I think I can squeeze all that in. I don't know if I'll be able to get all of this in, but we'll see. Some makeup brushes. I know that she just likes these, and I found these I think on Amazon for $1.99. So I just got them, and you know, every girl needs to feel pretty sometimes. And then what's a care package without some chocolate, right? So there's a 70% dark chocolate cherry almond bar, which is fabulous. I have had one of those before. And then also the Justin's peanut butter cups. Now, I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit this in here. Let's see. Maybe I can squeeze it down the side. All right. And she likes like quick microwavable things. I don't know if she'll like these. I don't know if I like them, but I thought that she could maybe try it. And this is Tom Yum, and I had some Tom Yum soup, and it was so good. So I think I'll try to include that. And then this is just some Kleenex that I had made, and it says, I'm sorry you feel like crap, and it just has a little Kleenex holder. And I don't know that she's feeling like crap, but I thought, you know what, everybody feels kind of crummy sometimes, and why not stick that in there for her? So I just need to figure out how to close this up, and then that is what she's getting. Oh, and I have a card. Chicken! So yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit all of that in here. I might have to wait on these two things. Let's see if I can close it with all all of that in there. And my address is on the front, so I'm trying to hide that. I think I'm going to have to play with it a little bit, but I think I can get it. So this is what I'm going to be mailing to my daughter tomorrow. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. And just real quick to show you, I did it. I closed the thing. So the two things didn't fit in there, so I'll have these for next time. That and this, but it fit. So yay, hooray. I'm excited to send Happy Meal. So thanks so much. Bye-bye.